Be yourself. Authenticity is key. Be genuine and show your true personality. Pretending to be someone you're not will eventually lead to misunderstandings. Respect. Treat girls with respect. Just as you would with anyone else, respect their thoughts, opinions, and boundaries. Communication. Engage in meaningful conversations. Listen actively, show interest in their thoughts, and share your own openly. Be honest in your interactions. Honesty builds trust and shows that you value the relationship. Empathy. Understand their feelings and perspectives. Show empathy when they're going through challenges or sharing their experiences. Support. Offer your support when needed. Being there for someone during their ups and downs helps in building a strong bond. Shared interests. Find common interests to connect over. Shared hobbies or activities can provide great opportunities for spending time together. Respect their personal space and boundaries. Everyone needs their own time and privacy. Kindness. Kindness goes a long way. Small gestures of kindness and consideration can make a positive impact. Be dependable. If you promise to do something, follow through. Being reliable shows that you're committed to the relationship. Learn and grow. Be open to learning from each other. This helps in personal growth and understanding. Remember, forming connections takes time. Building a place in someone's heart requires patience, consistency, and a genuine desire to understand and care for the other person. It's important to build the foundation of trust and mutual respect.